Welcome back to my channel Foodie Heaven. Today, we're making a comforting and nourishing vegetable soup. It's easy, delicious, and packed with vitamins and nutrients, perfect for those chilly days or whenever you need a healthy meal. So, let's dive into this simple recipe, step by step. You'll have a hot bowl of homemade vegetable soup ready in no time. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 medium onion, chop 2 large carrots, slice 2 celery stalks, chop 2 medium potatoes, diced 1 zucchini, diced 1 can, 14 ounces of diced tomatoes, 4 cups of vegetable broth or water, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 1 tablespoon of olive oil optional, 2 cups of leafy greens like spinach, kale, or parsley. This is a classic vegetable soup, but feel free to swap in any veggies you have on hand. Bell peppers, green beans, or even corn can be great additions. Start by prepping your vegetables. Chop 1 medium onion, slice 2 large carrots, and chop 2 celery stalks. Next, dice 2 medium potatoes and 1 zucchini. Having everything ready at the start will make the cooking process smoother. To speed things up, you can also use pre-chopped or frozen vegetables. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once it's hot, add your chopped onion, carrots, and celery. Sauté these for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want them to soften and start to release their flavors. This sautéing step is crucial, it builds the flavor base of your soup. Now, let's add our diced potatoes and zucchini. These will make the soup hearty and filling. Stir them together and let them cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. You'll start to see the potatoes absorbing some of that flavor, which will make the soup rich and satisfying. Next, pour in 1 can of diced tomatoes. Tomatoes add a bit of sweetness and acidity that balances the soup perfectly. Now, add 4 cups of vegetable broth or water. Broth gives the soup extra depth, but water works just as well if you're in a pinch. Stir everything together to combine. For seasoning, add 1 teaspoon each of dried basil and dried thyme. These herbs bring a wonderful earthy aroma and flavor to the soup. Don't forget to add salt and pepper to taste. If you like a bit of heat, you can also add a pinch of red pepper flakes at this point. Bring the soup to a boil, then lower the heat and cover the pot. Let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. This is when all the flavors come together beautifully. At this point, you can add 2 cups of greens, like spinach or kale, if you like. Stir them into the hot soup and let them wilt for about 2 minutes. This adds an extra boost of nutrition and color to your soup. Plus, it tastes amazing. Now it's time to taste your soup. Adjust the salt and pepper if needed. You want all the flavors to be balanced and delicious. Each bite should have a little bit of everything. And just like that, your vegetable soup is ready to serve. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. This vegetable soup is perfect on its own, or you can serve it with a slice of crusty bread for dipping. It's warm, hearty, and full of nutrients, a meal that's both delicious and good for you. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel Foodie Heaven for more easy and tasty dishes. See you next time. Happy cooking and enjoy your soup.